Midi is on the move. And they're off, making their way onto the stretch. The 1 has the early lead with the number 2, 5, and 7 trying to take the lead from the 1, and the 7 is taking the lead from the number 1 as they make their way into the first turn. 7 now maintains the lead with the number 6 and 1 Greyhounds, both trying their best to catch up with the number 7 as they make their way onto the back stretch. 7 still has a slight lead over the number 6 as they make their way down the back stretch. The 7 still has the lead as they enter into the far turn, with the 6 taking the lead as they make their way around the far turn, headed towards the home stretch. The 6 still maintains the lead with the number 2 Greyhound trying his best to take the lead from the 6, and 2 is taking the lead as they make their way down the home stretch. 2 is your winner.